रेडियो सिटी पर मैं हूँ दिव्या. थैंक यू. हाय गाइस. सो ये लाइव इसलिए बहुत खास है क्योंकि बहुत दिनों के बाद बड़े पर्दे पर Z5 के शॉर्ट फिल्म में हमको नजर आ रही है सेलिना जेटली. एंड आई लव हर बिकॉज शी इज नॉट जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल, शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. भाई एक इंसान जो मिस इंडिया 2001 रहा हो वो जाहिर सी बात है is a woman I really want to speak to. Also, she's been very vocal about a lot of things. तो इनसे मुलाकात होगी.
So sorry.
Finally.
So sorry. You know, there is a massive internet problem. All our routers are down since past 20 minutes.
That's perfectly all right. But I have been giving people a lot of reason to stay back. I have said all the beautiful things.
I am so sorry. I absolutely love your shows. And I just wanted to tell you that this never happened. But you can ask any of my fans. It's never happened. I'm always on time. Austria, spring storms, and router has been down since 20 minutes. My husband was on the roof trying to fix the thing.
No, so the last live that I had on Radio City page went through a very bad network issue. So I totally feel you. But welcome to Radio City Insta, Selena. Thank you so much for joining us.
So much. I'm so embarrassed. I'm never...
गाइस आप देख रहे हो, मतलब वो सामने से आके आपको सेलिब्रिटीज भी सॉरी बोलते हैं अगर वो लेट हो जाते हैं, बट फॉरगेट इट ऑल यार. आई मीन आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट यू जॉइंड दिस. एंड यू नो सेलिना, उससे भी ज्यादा खुशी आपको बड़े पर्दे पर देखकर हुई है वापस. इट इज सो गुड टू सी यू मेक अ कमबैक यार. मतलब इट इज सो गुड टू सी यू. एंड यू हैवंट चेंज्ड एट ऑल. हाउ हैव यू मैनेज्ड टू बी लाइक द सेम? अब बिल्कुल वैसे दिखते हो यार अभी भी. कैसे?
You should see me at 5 o'clock in the morning when my little one is up, or the twins have a kushti at 3 o'clock in the morning. Tab you might change your opinion about me.
I think वो तो हम सबकी बहुत सारी रियलिटीज है जो बाहर आ सकती है. बट सीजन्स ग्रीटिंग्स एंड Z5 पर आपकी ओरिजिनल शॉर्ट फिल्म. यू नो द बेस्ट थिंग आई लाइक इन दिस होल आइडिया इज इट्स एन ओरिजिनल शॉर्ट फिल्म. तो आजकल ओरिजिनल चीजें मिलती नहीं है. एंड सॉरी,
Did you see the film? आपने फिल्म देखी?
I did. मुझे जिस दिन बोला गया था कि मुझे आपसे मिलना है तो मैंने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया था. And I've been telling everybody जो यहाँ जुड़ गए हैं और जो पहले भी जुड़े हैं कि I love the whole idea that it's an original. हमें original, I read a feedback somewhere like a review of your short film जिसमें बड़ा अच्छा लिखा था. It's like a poem on the internet right now, like on the OTT platforms. और आपकी और लिलिट जी की actually बिल्कुल वैसी. It's flowing the chemistry. Selena, आप बताओगे, there are a lot of people joining in. एक डॉटर का रोल प्ले करना लिलिट जी का सीजन्स ग्रीटिंग्स में, बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ सीजन्स ग्रीटिंग, हाउ इज इट बीन? कैसा रहा है?
It was bittersweet experience, to tell you the truth. अगर आपका, if you expect me to give an answer कि बहुत brilliant and all, as an actor to work with the perfect team, yes, brilliant. I'm so blessed to work with a director like Ram Kamal Mukherjee. Brilliant. Can't even thank my stars. But the experience was very bittersweet, very difficult. And at that time, I was going through severe depression, and I had just lost both my parents. So it was not easy to, especially to shoot a film which is about mother-daughter relationship. And I was also, nervous because itne saal baad I was coming back on screen, and Lilette ji is a thespian. वो theatre background को belong करती है. Her last film was with Richard Gere. So now she's like opposite me, playing my mom. And I was also wary about that. But I put my full trust in Ram Kamal, and I left it to him. I left it to destiny. And I did my best under his direction. And I guess we are reaping the benefits now. God has been kind.
Yeah. No, but you know what I love the most, in a very subtle way, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, like short film में आपने बहुत सारे aspects touch किया. Of course, we will not reveal what the film is all about, but human rights, live-in relationship, 377 that you've been very vocal about always. कैसे यार? How did you manage to just bring it all together? Like the character of the helper, जिनके साथ आप, I believe आपका एक गाना है,
Chapala in the movie, and उनके कैरेक्टर, उनका रियल नाम है श्रीघाता, कि पहली ट्रांस एक्ट्रेस है जिनको ट्रांस रोल में लिया गया है इन हिंदी फिल्म. सो डेफिनेटली दैट इज फर्स्ट टाइम.
ओके, आई वुड वांट टू नो फर्स्ट थिंग, जब आपको ये फिल्म मिली, कितना टाइम लगा आपको यस बोलने में कि हाँ मैं ये कर रही हूँ? इतने टाइम के बाद आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ
बोलने का तो सवाल नहीं था, बिकॉज ये फिल्म जो थी राम डायरेक्ट करे थे. राम सबसे पहले तो मेरे दोस्त हैं, एंड एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर होता है एक दोस्त के ऊपर. दूसरी चीज ये राम, मैं राम को जानती हूँ उनके जर्नलिस्ट दिनों से, उससे भी पहले से इनफैक्ट, एंड जर्नलिज्म के दिनों से, एंड ही इज अ वेरी अक्लेम्ड राइटर, यू नो, ही नोज व्हाट ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, ही इज अ वेरी यूनिक डायरेक्टर। कहते हैं ना कि इवॉल्व्ड और फ्यूचर फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्टर, उनकी सोच एक इंसान की जिसकी फ्यूचर फॉरवर्ड होती है, एंड इफ यू जेल विद अ पर्सन लाइक दिस, आपकी सोच भी वैसी होनी चाहिए डेफिनेटली।
यस।
तो आई थिंक एक तरीके से वो जो एनर्जी होती है हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहती है, एनर्जी ऑलवेज अच्छी क्रिएटिविटी में जाती है। तो आई थिंक
यस।
जिन लोगों को राम ने इस फिल्म में कास्ट किया या टेक्निकली अटैच किया, सबकी एनर्जी की वाइब्रेशन एंड थॉट प्रोसेस उनके हिसाब से फ्यूचर फॉरवर्ड था, यू नो। सो वो यूनिक वे ऑफ वर्किंग जो था, आई थिंक इट वर्क वेरी पॉजिटिवली फॉर द फिल्म। I think the only bad thing about the whole thing was that I was dealing with depression. So I think I was a little bit of a burden. If wo, that is my thinking. I don't know. आपको राम से पूछना पड़ेगा. He should be coming on live also. So definitely you'll have to ask Ram that. But जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स तो होते रहते हैं. द शो मस्ट गो ऑन, यू नो.
यस।
एंड वैसे जब मैं कभी सुभाष जी पहले बोलते थे शो मस्ट गो ऑन, तो वी यूज्ड टू गिगल. But now I
Yeah.
really understand what Subhash ji, because I've worked with Subhash ji also in a lot of films. I all understand what he means. Finally, जब लाइफ में you know, जब आपके इस किस्म की चेंजेस आते हैं, सीजन्स आते हैं लाइफ में, तो लाइफ में विंटर से भी जाना पड़ता है, यू नो. यू I've seen the spring, the summer, the autumn, and I had to go through the winter of life also. So the show must go on, and try to make it go on.
I think your smile is so beautiful, and I really think पता है जब आप people at your level, when they come and talk about things like depression, come and stand for LGBTQ rights, I think it really makes a lot of difference, यार Selena. For a lot of common people, you guys are role models. मैं personally जानना चाहती हूँ, आप LGBTQ rights के लिए पिछले कई सालों से लड़ रहे हो. You've been associated with a lot of film festivals. I went to Europe last year and I realized that yes, the kind of support, the whole thing gets in there. India में वो चीज आनी अभी भी बाकी है. But why have you been associated, या what has been your push कि आपने अपनी आवाज उठाई है हमेशा से?
Everyone has a unique part to play in the healing of the world, I feel. And जहां तक मेरा सवाल था, हर किसी का दिल किसी ना किसी चीज से बहुत जुड़ा रहता है. मेरा LGBT राइट्स से जुड़ा था, for personal reasons and impersonal reasons also. And honestly telling you, one had to be, especially हमारी इंडस्ट्री में रहकर, I've been in my industry since the age of 15-16. So you have to be either blind or you know, deaf and dumb not to see the kind of unfortunate discrimination that occurs against the LGBTQIA community in India.
Yeah.
So I had to do something. Everybody was doing. मेरे को बहुत सी लोगों ने बोला, why don't you do something diplomatic? ये इस type के rights करो. As long as you support a right, it's good. I'm not saying that others support other causes, तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. मेरा cause वो है, या मेरा सबसे अच्छा, मेरा बच्चा सबसे सुंदर. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying is you should really support a cause जो जिसके लिए आप दिल से feel करते हो, महसूस करते हो, you know. And that's why I did Seasons Greetings. One of the another main reason for me saying yes to Seasons Greetings was it handles and touches gay relationships also beautifully.
Yes, yes. That's what I'm saying. मतलब ये magical है. How has he managed to do it? कि in एक छोटी सी short film में he's touched Live-In, he's touched in Suchitra and Romita का character, he's touched in the whole idea of gay rights. It is beautiful. When do we see you next? Are you going to be on big screen more often, Selena? बहुत सारे लोग जानना चाहेंगे. Or is it going to be like?
Yes, it was my mother's last wish that I return to cinema, and I think by returning to cinema with Ram Kamal, I made the right choice. I'm waiting for the right script. I'm waiting for the right stuff. And definitely you'll see a lot of me, but it's going to be in the right, different stuff. Very different stuff from what people have seen me so far in. That's for sure.
This is also the Mother's Day week. And I have been saying कि मेरे साथ एक super mom होंगी आज, क्योंकि a mother of 3 beautiful sons, and we see you active on Insta and on social media sometimes, been watching there क्योंकि आप बहुत दूर हो otherwise. How are you managing to juggle, like acting भी किया, तीनों, you as a mother, Selena?
It's not easy. I suffer from a lot of mom guilt, to tell you the truth, especially जब travel करना होता है, या अभी And I never thought I'd be promoting a film lockdown ke middle mein.
हाँ.
Busy promoting from morning to evening, and this promotion is even more as difficult as being going on an India tour and a press tour, because
Yes.
from morning till evening we are interacting, we are doing social media, we are talking to journalists, we're talking doing a lot of IGs back to back, recordings chal rahe hain, ye chal raha, wo chal raha, so it's equally this thing. The only advantage is that you still at home. So it's not easy, especially when you're a mom of boys. उसमें से twins हैं, they go suddenly they go out of control. You know, ये क्या हो रहा है? सब बच्चे कहाँ भाग गए? कुछ बड़ी देर से आवाज नहीं आया, सारे बच्चे भाग गए. You know,
So I actually do a show in Delhi, which is a very mother. It's actually called the माँ बहन का show, which is very mother centric and yeah, मतलब मुझे लगता है माँ तो वैसे खैर अलग अलग रोल में आती है. But what is that one thing that changed about you as a mother? Like जो एक बदलाव आप में आया था after you became a mother?
एक is an understatement. I have completely changed since I became a mother. The whole मैं पूरी दुनिया को एक दूसरे नजरिए से देखने लगी हूँ. I think I was such a selfish person till I became a mother. You know, I was very selfish. बहुत सी चीजें जो अनदेखी हो जाती थी, अनदेखी थी लाइफ में. You know, आप जब you become a mother, you completely see the world, that a world comes into existence. You see, हाँ ये भी reality, ये भी real. I did not know I was capable of so much patience. I did not know I was capable of XYZ. I did not know my body was capable of this. मैं तो 2 times I had twins. So,
wow, yeah.
So
you've been through like every possible thing that we can think of. एक बंदी किस face से गुजर सकती है. And that smile is still winning a lot of hearts. Selena, I'll have to just stop for a question. So this one's coming from UV. He hosts a Punjabi show, so I understand that उसका love for Punjabi music is a little too much. He's like, do you remember the experience of O Kerry with Jazzy B?
Of course.
Jazzy B was
the best. Sorry, I just cut in through, but yeah, Jazzy B's experience was amazing. हम लोग ने मलेशिया में शूट की थी. Jazzy B's song was a very big hit, and I am so glad because I have some Punjabi roots also. So as a result, you know, my dad was very happy. I did Jazzy B, and I was too. I said, Daddy, it's just not you. कहते तुमने मेरे लिए किया. I'm very happy. I said, no, but it's not just you. मैं भी खुश हूँ. Yeah, so that was great. Yeah.
So I think that answers. Mayank Shishodia has been continuously messaging, and he said that I love season's greeting. And what are your upcoming projects? Where are you right now? Other questions that are coming. Love your eyes, Selena. ये सारे नीचे comments आ रहे हैं आपके लिए.
I am right now in Austria. मैं यहाँ पे रहती हूँ. This is my home now. In हिंदी में हम लोग कहते हैं ना ससुराल. ससुराल है. I don't think my in-laws would be like, क्या बोल रही ससुराल? We are not ससुराल. But ससुराल for me, you know, in German. So, yeah, so I'm in my ससुराल. But in-laws stay very far away, so I don't know if it technically classifies as sasural. But Austria is my new country, my new homeland. And अब मेरा इंडिया आना जाना बहुत रहेगा, obviously, because I'm back to films now, and definitely next project I'll be announcing soon. Please wait, because it has to be the right project. I think Ram Kamal has set such high standards with Season's Greetings that it's difficult to just pick up any project and just do it for the heck of doing, and neither do I want to do anything like that.
Yeah,
I
because
would rather do something जो, you know, लोगों को the way Season's Greetings has impacted in the same
yes. way. Somebody says good to have you back. Actually, a lot of people have said good to have you back. And Selena, हमारे लिए जो Selena, I think, you know, the Selena that we knew पहले, and this Selena, of course, in Season's Greetings, आप दो बिल्कुल अलग लोग नजर आ रहे हो. Like I said, this review where it said it's poetic. इतने कंट्रोल्ड, इतने पॉइज, इतनी अच्छी डिलीवरी है. फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिन्होंने नहीं देखा, प्लीज सीजन्स ग्रीटिंग्स देखिए. ZEE5 पर है. इट्स एन ओरिजिनल. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग विद लिलेट जी?
Oh God, initially very scary, because वो थिएटर बैकग्राउंड जो पीपल थेस्पियंस के जो टेक्निक होती है बहुत ही अलग हटके होती है, because they delve deeper and deeper. They go into the backstory of the character to God knows how many years. And हम लोग की आदतें सेट पे आए, अपना कर करके चले गए. करके चले. Yeah. So I learned so much. much. Ram ने insist किया था कि before we start the film that we do a lot of workshops. So I arrived few days before the shooting. हम लोगों ने साथ में बहुत सी workshops की. उसमें I got to know Lilette ji very well, and I learned so much from her. I cannot tell you. I would give a lot of credit to her for my performance, because to perform well, the person whom you are acting with also has to give in that 100% to you, you know, and she
Yes.
did that, you know, she did that. And she told me also many times that when I was going too much, she kept me constantly on the balance. Selena, don't lose your balance. Don't go that way or this way. Don't lose your balance. And I learned that from her. And I was just messaging her this morning only and telling her, Lilette ji, even in life, I started, you know, taking the technique, don't lose your balance, don't lose your balance. So that was very difficult, because in a movie like this, which is firstly a tribute to Rituparna Ghosh.
Yes. Yes.
He is a legendary filmmaker.
Yes.
Secondly, Ram's vision was very unique. It was not the same as picture karni hai, banani hai, bana ke chale jao. So it was a lot more than karni banani hai, you know. He for him it was a massive thing that everything is important. कि वो किताब कहाँ रखी है, टेबल पे जो खाना है वो proper Bengali dishes होनी ही चाहिए, you know. So everything was बहुत detailed था. तो उसमें you have to give your 100%, you know.
Totally. I think it actually shows, or क्योंकि because I've been a film appreciation student myself, तो हमने Rituparna Ghosh, Ritwik Ghatak, we've studied it, and I can so feel it now, because आपका character ही बिल्कुल transform, you know, you just change when you flow in. But Selena, before I let you go, एक बहुत important subject है जो आपने touch किया है इसमें, which is depression. Lockdown के time पे there are a lot of people who've been going through a lot of mental health issues world over. हमारे साथ कुछ लोग जुड़े हैं, and of course I will take a bit out of this on my show as well. There are a lot of people who know that they're going through a lot inside them, लेकिन वो बोलते नहीं है. They don't come out of it. कि depression, experts, लोग बोलूंगा क्या बोलेंगे. How do people come out of what they're feeling?
सबसे पहली चीज है, don't tell everyone. Tell trustworthy people जो कि आपको समझ सके, but tell. Don't keep it inside you. You have to speak. Pick up the phone, talk to someone. Get help. If it is affecting, अगर आपकी डेली लाइफ या आपकी रिलेशनशिप्स अफेक्ट हो रही है, या आपके ऑफिस का काम, आपका काम अफेक्ट हो रहा है, प्लीज फोन उठाइए, आस्क फॉर साइकोलॉजिकल काउंसलिंग. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I did that and I feel much better. I spoke to my husband. By God's grace, I have great friends, best friends, God bless them. I think one of them is also, I saw online, Rage D Closet, who's there just to make you so just to tell you that it is very, very important that you talk about it, but to the right people. And never feel this way, especially, you know, लोगों का don't tell people who will not understand, because बहुत से लोग मेरे जैसे, मैंने ये बहुत सुना था, and I can even vouch. I think Deepika also went through the same thing. I was reading about what she went through. बहुत से लोग बोलते तुम्हारे पास तो सब कुछ है, ये क्या डिप्रेशन लेके बैठे हो, you should be happy, you know. बच्चे हैं, ये है, वो है, ये गाड़ी चलाते हो, ये करियर है, तो डिप्रेशन किस चीज का? You cannot compare a chemical imbalance in your body to your worldly possessions in the world, you know.
Absolutely.
So it is very important कि आप लोग जो को डिप्रेशन नहीं है, ऐसा किसी को मत बोलिए जिनको डिप्रेशन है कि why are you depressed, आपके पास तो सब कुछ है. अब आप केमिकल इम्बैलेंस को इन योर हार्मोनल सिस्टम, इन योर बॉडी सिस्टम, यू कैन नॉट कॉल इट दैट आपके पास सब कुछ है, आपको ये क्यों हुआ. बीमारी पूछ के नहीं आती. बीमारी किसी भी किस्म की बीमारी पूछ के नहीं आती. आज टुडे कोरोना फॉर एग्जांपल, वो इकोनॉमी के सबसे हाईएस्ट मेंबर को भी हो सकता है, एंड इकोनॉमिक लाइन के सबसे लोएस्ट मेंबर को भी हो सकता है. वो पूछ के नहीं आता. Right?
Absolutely.
It's the same with depression.
पूछेगा नहीं, and I think it's very important to talk, and it's very important to just share. I'm so glad, Selena, you joined in. There are so many questions, but I also know that you have a long interview sessions lined up after this. But thank you, and I request you to just keep coming back to us. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके.
Thank you for supporting our film, and all of you, thank you for being here. Somebody saying, say hello to Peter. I will say hello to Peter. That's my husband. So somebody said hello to Peter.
Yes.
Said, okay.
From here to Shimpi.
Inder, my best friend, Rage by Closet, LGBT activist and supporter. He is here. And I just want to tell everyone that I love Radio City India. I love your show, my dear. Please watch Seasons Breaking with Rituparna Ghosh. It's streaming now on ZEE5 Premium and ZEE5. Thank you.
We're getting requests which says, please don't go anywhere, keep interviewing. I wish I could,
I
but
will come back again. We can do another one next week for sure.
Fantastic. I have this on record and we will. Thank you, Supermom. Happy Mother's Day, Selena. And
Take
all
care.
the best for Seasons Readings. Bye.
Thank you. Cheers,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Radio City.